How's it going, everyone? You're watching HiGo. I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone Unavailable. I'm gonna fix the unavailable lock screen without iTunes or without a computer. So let's say you're like me and you're on the lock screen. It says iPhone Unavailable. You just forgot your passcode. You just entered the wrong passcodes too many times to get the phone to become unavailable. And you can't log into your iPhone. So you can't do anything and all just completely stuck on that unavailable screen until you unlock the phone. Now let me show you how you can fix the unavailable iPhone without computer or iTunes or Finder. Just completely reset your device to erase the lock and passcode. It's actually easy to do this, and there are 3 ways to reset the locked iPhone without connecting to iTunes or to computer. That is, use the iOS 15.2 Erase iPhone option at the unavailable screen and do the reset on iPhone itself. The second method is to erase iPhone wirelessly with Find My iPhone. You can do this on a computer or another iOS device if you own one. If you have a computer nearby, iPhone Unlocker software helps you fix iPhone Unavailable error and erase the passcode with no iTunes in just a few clicks. So whether you have a computer or iTunes or not, the unavailable lock screen can be fixed and allows you to access it. Alright, we're gonna using Erase iPhone option in iOS 15.2 or later to unlock without connecting the phone to iTunes or your computer. Apple trigger this erasing mechanism when the iPhone is locked out for 15 minutes or for far longer. So the Erase iPhone function won't appear in front of eyes when it's just disabled for 1 minute and 5 minutes, as we can wait it to go back the normal login background in a short time period and retry unlocking the device. So, if you do forget the code, you need to enter the incorrect passcodes over again until the screen goes to iPhone Unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Then, you should see the Erase iPhone option at the lower right bottom of the screen, which allows you immediately reset the phone and unlock it without computer and iTunes, just under a cellular network or Wi-Fi network. Alright, to get the erasure to work, you have to make sure your phone is running on iOS 15.2 or higher, and it has been connected to the internet before it shows the iPhone Unavailable message on its screen. The third requirement for erasing your phone is your Apple ID password. Too much for preparation, and now we're gonna going with tapping on the Erase iPhone. As the screen states, the process will erase all content and settings to reset your phone to factory settings. To continue unlocking the unavailable iPhone, tap Erase iPhone at the bottom again. Then enter your Apple ID password. This is why you need to remember your Apple details. That's done. iPhone is now erasing itself to get the unavailable screen and the forgotten passcode removed. An Apple logo and progress bar is flashing on the screen, letting you know where you're in the process of resetting. The whole process doesn't involve iTunes, Finder or computer. Now, as you can see, when the progress bar fills up, the iPhone has been totally erased and unlocked. The screen is displaying hello, letting you to start over and set it up. Let's go ahead step by step. Swipe up the screen to get into the phone. Follow the hints to choose your language and country. Connect to internet. Set up a new passcode. Face ID or Touch ID now or later in settings. When you get to apps and data screen, restore from backup so you won't lose many more data after the reset. You can choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from Mac or PC to get back your data. If you don't have any backup, tap on Don't Transfer Apps and Data to start your phone as if it's new. Now re-sign in to your iPhone with your Apple details so you can use the device as normal. Almost done. Welcome to iPhone and enjoy your iPhone. So, the iPhone Unavailable error has been fixed without using iTunes or computer. Hope this immediate erase iPhone method works for all you guys. Okay, now we come another method of using Find My to erase iPhone and get rid of the message saying iPhone Unavailable without iTunes and computer. This is helpful if there's no Erase iPhone option on the lock screen. Like using Erase iPhone in method number 1, you'll need your Apple ID and password that you used to set up your iPhone, and you have the Find My enabled in Settings app before being locked out. Now for the purpose of fixing iPhone that says iPhone unavailable without computer, we're gonna use another iOS device. If you don't have a spare iPhone or iPad, you need to execute the task on your computer. The process is the same. Okay, see, this is my unavailable iPhone and I put it on the desk. And this is another one iPhone of mine. It's fine, and I use it to unlock that locked one. Now, I open Safari app and go to iCloud.com/find. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Wait for a few seconds to let it load. Now, folks, you will see all your iOS devices display on the screen. From there, select the device that's unavailable and waiting to be unlocked. Then we're gonna click Erase iPhone. When asked if erasing this iPhone, read the warning, and tap on Continue. Enter your Apple ID password to log out of your Apple account. Then iPhone get erased remotely. See here, my unavailable iPhone screen shows an Apple logo and progress bar. It's resetting now. When the iPhone reboots, go through the setup process and restore your data from backup if you have one in place. Next up, the iPhone Unavailable Fix without iTunes needed as iPhone Unlocker. Although you need to download it onto your computer, it works perfectly to unlock your iPhone's unavailable screen and regain access to the device. Similar to the inbuilt Erase iPhone option in iOS, this application can also reset the unavailable screen and remove your forgotten passcode. Okay, to get the software, go appgeeker.com on your computer, then at the top navigation bar, click Products and then choose iPhone Unlocker. This will direct you to its product page. You can skim through its features and then download and install it. Alright, let me show to how to unlock your unavailable lock screen of iPhone without passcode using this software. Open it. The layout is clear-cut. We choose Wipe Passcode panel. Then, click Start button. Next, connect your unavailable iPhone to the computer. Here now, folks, we're prompted to enter recovery mode as it cannot be detected when the phone gets unavailable. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to do that. It's easy and there's no harm to your phone. When the phone is recognized, confirm the device information and hit Start button. The software is now downloading the most appropriate firmware for your iPhone to bypass the unavailable screen. Just wait until it's finished. Okay, guys, it's done. An alert jumps out letting you know the rest of the process will unlock your phone and also delete your data. To continue, enter 0000, and then hit Unlock button to begin the unlocking process and fixing that unavailable error message stuck right on the iPhone. Now, see your phone displaying the resetting progress. This may take a few minutes. Do not disconnect your phone until it gets unlocked. Alright, the process is done. The iPhone is unlocked. The iPhone unavailable screen has been removed from the device. You can now follow the setup assistant to get into your phone again without passcode. Of course, you can get back your data from a computer backup, or download from iCloud. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 3 options that I believe you guys should try out to fix iPhone unavailable on the lock screen without iTunes or without computer. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.